It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. Also, I have like so much work to do today because it is almost the end of the month. There are not many people in the office today. जहाँ मैं बैठी हूँ वहाँ की तो पूरी break खाली है. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khwahish. It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning and I just woke up because I have to go office today. We have morning shifts usually, so we need to get ready for the office. And yeah, I just thought to take you guys along with me. Also, please ignore how the mess I look right now, but I don't think people wake up aesthetic. Anyway, let's get going. If you're new here, let me introduce myself very quick. Hi, my name is Khwahish and I am a 22-year-old corporate person, and I also make videos here, which is like one of my favorite thing to do. And today I'm taking you guys along with me for a day. I am ready. This is what I'm wearing right now. The thing is that I was supposed to wear something else, but I don't know, I just didn't really liked it, so I'm just going with a kurti and the jeans. But anyways, let's quickly do our makeup because we are already getting late. One thing about me is that I am a socially awkward person. Maybe this is one of the reasons that I have been working in this organization for almost 2.5 years now, but I barely have connections. People barely know me. I barely know anyone. And I know this is not one of a good thing. The major reason behind this is probably because I have always been a silent person. Honestly, the more I grow up, the more I realize that this has become the part of my personality, that this is something that I don't want anymore. This is something that I want to work on. I want to build connection. I want to be friends with. I want to show up for myself. I don't know. This is like a mixed feeling where I kind of feel like that maybe I am not really, working towards my whole potential or something. But anyways, I don't want to sound like a despo right now. Just for the context, I'm heading towards my shuttle that will take me to the office. I have reached the office and currently I've taken stairs. Usually I try to take stairs because completing my steps. So I'm just going upstairs. I will try to film, I will try to take you along with my day. But as an introvert, as someone who deals with social anxiety, there are people around me, so I don't know if I will be able to film much. But I will try my best. Also, मेरा बैग इतना भारी हो गया है आज. I reach office around 7:20, 7:30 in the morning because it takes around half an hour from my pickup place to the office. Right now I'm just so hungry, but I need to finish some work and then get the breakfast done. It is the main priority right now कि मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, and I'm also checking people around me because if they saw me talking like this definitely is not going to be a very good impression. Later, I spent some more time on my desk completing my work. Although I was very hungry, but I kind of wanted to complete the work and then go for the breakfast. Right now, no one is around, which is like the best thing because I'm able to film. Also, I have like so much work to do today because it is almost the end of the month, and in the end of the month, we have quite a lot of work to do. Apart from that, also, I have some. We are finally here for the breakfast. Not like here, obviously, but like I'll be just going to cafeteria now. But अभी I just came for like a little bit of touch up, थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि आज का मेकअप नहीं था. At that time I was like कि हाँ बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है, but that brown shade was not really, it goes well with me. But today I'm wearing like a light color, so वो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा उसके साथ. And eyeliner भी नहीं लगाया मैंने आज, कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने आज. And look at my hair, I look like a mess right now today. But anyways, I am hungry right now. Also, I remember one of the things from this day, especially at this time, I was having my breakfast and I saw my manager, basically my entire team coming, and they were having breakfast in front of me. They were just talking normally and having breakfast, and I was just thinking in that whole time that I should have stand up or maybe just join them or at least greet them.
I'm done with the breakfast. So I want to talk about how pathetic this AC is in office. There are no many people here. मतलब ज़्यादा लोग हैं ही नहीं भाई. भी इतनी तेज AC क्यों करा हुआ है? ज़्यादा लोग हैं ही नहीं. No one is around me. And yet the temperature of the AC is killing me. The thing is when it will be around 11, 12, 1, जब ज़्यादा लोग आने लगते हैं तब ये लोग AC का टेम्परेचर कम कर देते हैं. अभी कोई नहीं है तो टेम्परेचर इतना ज़्यादा करा हुआ है. I don't know. Okay, hi, it is currently 11 o'clock. Now, not exactly, but होने वाले हैं 11 o'clock. And I'm just going to have lunch. Well, it is not supposed to be lunch time right now, but I'm so hungry again क्योंकि ओट्स से मेरा कुछ नहीं हुआ and I'm hungry, so we are just going to have lunch right now. I was also feeling very sleepy there क्योंकि AC का एक तो टेम्परेचर इतना तेज़ करा हुआ है, ऊपर से I have done with the work, like the major work. I'm done with the work. And yeah, I just thought to have lunch instead. Also, there are not many people in the office today. जहाँ मैं बैठी हूँ वहाँ की तो पूरी बेक खाली है. और I don't know, like today is Thursday. I think कल आएंगे ज़्यादा लोग. Mostly people come on Friday. So yeah, it is also good. I mean, for me, I think it is great क्योंकि I am always in the look for less people. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah. I'm at the cafeteria right now and thankfully there are no people, like entire cafeteria is empty. There is no one around me as I mentioned. So this is like a good thing. Obviously this is something I like. Not really like no people around me is something I like, but it's just that I like to be in my own zone, but I'm also trying to learn कि मैं थोड़ा सा interact करूँ धीरे-धीरे if I try to, because I think it is also very important.
Also, things were not like this from beginning. I had a friend, she was in my team. We were in the same team actually. We used to go for lunch together, hang out together. At that point that everybody knows that these two are always going to be together. We were every time she and me comes to the office like coordinating कि जब वो आएंगी तभी मैं जाऊंगी and vice versa. But she eventually left the office. She resigned few months back and here I am having lunch alone, basically enjoying my company. I wouldn't say that it's bad. I wouldn't say that I am missing something, or maybe a part of me still thinks that I should have someone around me to have lunch and stuff or maybe hang out with. But I eventually think that it is very important to have your back. It is very important to know that not everything is permanent. It is very important to know that if it's about corporate especially, you really have to have your back, and in the end of the day you just need to know that you are not alone or you are not lonely. It's just you need to understand that things will eventually work for you, and it's okay if it takes time.